Sorry guys, this video I'm going to show you the Qatar Airways Boeing 777-300ER. Here's the nice model and here's the stand. It says here Qatar Airways Boeing 777-300ER. The scale is 1 to 100. As you can see, the landing gears are rolled, as you can see here. And this engine is also rolling. And the wings are flexible. This 1 to 100 scale model is on the stand. I'm going to remove in the stand. See? This is the stand. The gears is actually rolling. So, see? And also it can be also flying, but we should just on hand. So there are two spinning engines. This the Boeing 777-300ER. So this is Alpha Mic and the or AM short, and this also the station code A7-BEM or Alpha 7 Bravo Alpha Mic. So that's there, and this is the Qatar Airways. This is the window shades and you have the tail. This is the very nice model, very high quality. I don't know if this Skymarks or Hogan model, but still it's really cool. So we're going to get back at this stand, at this stand. Sorry. See? I'm going to go back to the stand. Right. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay. So that's about it. That's for our short review of the Qatar Airways Boeing 777-300ER. We will wait for you guys to film so for this epic tale of this. Alright, so I'm going to fix this. That's why I'm going to visit, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.